Number 13. Which of the following tasks are performed by most of the algorithms? The answer is option D, all of these. Number 14. Which consists of symbols used for graphical presentation of an algorithm? Option C, flowchart. 15. Which means to test if the solution is according to given problem? Option D, validation. 16. Which means whether the solution is giving the required results or not? Option A, verification. 17. Is a technique used to test an algorithm. Option B, trace table. 18. The diamond symbol represents the option B, decision making. 19. The technique divide and conquer is used to solve option D, complex and large problems. 20. Which is straightforward and unplanned in problem solving? Option A, candid solution. 21. Which technique has drawn a pictorial representation of the solution? Option B, prototype. 22. Which word refers to spontaneous and unplanned? Option C, candid. 23. Which is a set of steps to solve a problem? Option B, algorithm. 24. Which is essential to point out the defects and errors made during finding a solution to same problem? Option A, testing. 25. It is the test data that compiles with the input requirements of the algorithms. Option B, valid test data. 26. A solution is tested on extreme values. Option A, boundary test data. 27. If the algorithm is correct but doesn't give correct outputs, it means that it has error. Option A, logical. 28. Trace table is a technique of option A, to set the algorithm. 29. In order to solve a problem, it is important to follow an approach. Option B, systematic. 30. What is the purpose of an oval-shaped symbol in flowchart? Option C, start and end. Here students, you are all done. Next part coming soon. Stay tuned.